happened? You want to brush the goat's hair? Look, brush its hair. Look. Oh, see? You want to brush its hair? Look.
Brush its hair.
What is it? She didn't know what to do.
Can you brush your hair?
Oh, not yours. She tried to brush
Oh,
hers.
no. Brush the goat's hair.
Can we take her over to see the donkey? See the donkey?
Yeah, but I want to get a picture of her with the goats first.